How to remove open to on LinkedIn. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the open to feature from your LinkedIn profile using your phone or computer. So this tutorial guides you through the steps to manage your job seeking preferences and maintain privacy. So for this tutorial, I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same on both of the devices. So you're going to head over and first of all, click on your profile at the top left after logging into your LinkedIn. And then you're going to click on your profile again and you're going to scroll a bit down and here you'll be able to see open to work. So you're going to click on this pencil icon over here and scroll all the way to the bottom. Click on delete from profile and it would say delete job preferences. You'll no longer share with others that you're open to work. Job preferences help us provide you with a better job search experience. So you're going to head over, click on delete. If you are not open to work anymore or you have already got a job, you can simply delete open to status on LinkedIn. If you're not able to find this open to work option over here, alternatively, you can simply head over to jobs at the bottom right, click on preferences, and here you're going to click on open to work. You can see it is on right now. So simply click on it and scroll all the way to the bottom. Click on delete from profile, simply click on delete. And once you do so, here you can see it is open to work and it is turned off. So that was how you can remove open to on LinkedIn. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.